If WhatsApp photos are not showing up in your gallery, there are several potential causes. Here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix the issue. So you have to launch your WhatsApp on your device. Open the WhatsApp. Once you have to tap on the three dot which is on the top right corner of the screen and navigate to your setting. Once you are here, you have to scroll down and go for the storage and data. So under media auto control, or you can see the manage storage option too. So here you can see that under media upload control, you have to make sure that photos are set to the automatically download. So here you can see that you have to just go for the save option here. So here you can see the media auto download and you have to just go and select the while using your mobile data you have to select your photos and go for the OK option, and while connected data and you have to also select the photos, and when roaming also you have to select the photos like this. So this will fix your WhatsApp photos. So this way you will fix your WhatsApp photos not showing up in your gallery. And after that, you will successfully have your photos in your WhatsApp gallery. Also, you can navigate back and long press on that WhatsApp and go for the app info. And here you have to just go for the app and app permission, and here you have to allow the file and media on the app permission. Also, you can clear the cache of your WhatsApp here. So can clearing cache can also might clearing cache can also resolve with the corrupted cache data too. So this step you can easily fix your WhatsApp photos not showing up in your gallery. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.